Greenwich resident Rose Nichols says she was always working different part-time jobs while raising her children.
My kids call me the entrepreneur hippie mom.
She worked as a substitute teacher, read stories at bookstores, and even worked for the Old Village Gazette. But when Nichols needed a new superintendent for her building in town, she turned to Utilize Senior Energy.
They had a list. We've selected one. We still have them.
The organization, also known as USE, helps senior citizens find people to perform jobs for them, but that's not all.
USE is an agency that tries to match seniors, those that are 55 and over, who need or want a job, with available jobs.
And that's how Nichols ended up at Dirt Floral in Cos Cob.
We were looking for reliable help here at the shop and people who could come during the day and help out, watch the shop, answer phones, help learn about the floral industry. And we had this idea about Utilize Senior Energy.
Dirt owner Ann Robertson says she wanted an employee that could help her anytime she needed it.
As a shop owner, I did have some issues with people who come and want to work here and they have little kids, and if the kids are home from school or something and then they have to leave work to take care of the kids, which I totally understand, but I just needed someone to be my go-to person.
Robertson says it helps her out because Nichols brings a different skill set to the shop.
They bring the maturity and someone who can actually do the math of the register and things like that. It's nice to have such diversity working here at the shop. There's a role for everyone.
I like having fun things that I'm involved in.
USE board member Joan Caldwell says you can contact the agency with any employee or employer request.
Tell them what it is. I have a job. I need a bookkeeper. I need a part-time secretary. I need someone to babysit my dogs. You'd be surprised. Don't be afraid to call us, no matter how silly your job or your need might be, because believe me, we've heard it before.
Utilize Senior Energy can be contacted at 203-629-8032 or by email at info@utilizesenior.org. Reporting for the Greenwich Sentinel, I'm Taylor Knight.